Hey, what's happening? What's going on? My name is Matt, in case you don't know who I am. Welcome to my channel and this video. I am the leader and founder of Chartbulls Trading. We're a group of day traders and investors who day trade in the stock market and the crypto markets. And we basically just talk charts and best strategies. If that's something that sounds interesting to you, join the free chat, which is the first link down below. Love to talk with you there. In this video, we're going to be recapping my day of trading like I've been doing in all the other videos. Right now it's 10:45 in the morning. I opened my laptop at 8 a.m. So it's 2 hours and 45 minutes. And as far as the actual trades go, I was in two different trades today. The first trade lasted 1 hour, the second trade lasted 5 minutes. So that is 1 hour and 5 minutes of actual trading for $339 in profit. This is the third day in a row that we're in the 300, so we're happy about that. As far as my balance goes, again, started my one deposit with 0.1 Bitcoin. I'm now up to 0.3413, so that's what, 240% gain. And on the dollar value, that is, I started with $660. I'm now at $2,108. That is 219%. As far as my daily change, I did make 19% today, so from 0.02864 to 0.03413, whatever that is. It is 19%. So, to talk about my trades, the first trade, I went short. I entered two different short positions at 61.83 and 61.90. That was part of this pump. So 61.83, I thought it was going to tap out at because of this previous resistance, but then we did wick into this red zone, so I did buy another short at 61.90. I rode that down to 61.71. That was basically a previous support line as well, and so I just decided to write it down. It did have a little bit of inflection here. Also, my average position size after those two buys was 61.84.5. So I kind of rode it around here a little bit. It ended up selling right here, and of course, right after it sold, it dipped even more. But I did get my first chunk of profit for the day there. And then right after that, this last trade here, which was a bunch of little buys, I went 85,000, so I'm on 50x leverage, and I did do a full account trade there basically because I was positive in my trade. But I saw this wick, and then it stayed on my green support line, which for me is a buy sign. So it wicked out, stayed, and then we started candling up. So I bought at 68.5 whenever it filled, and then this point of contact, this red line going across on the 5-minute, has been acting as kind of like a support and a resistance line. And so I didn't want to take my chances, so I just went ahead and sold at that line, which is 61.75, which sold, and that was a 5-minute trade. And the first trade was 9:13 to 10:13 was 1 hour. So quick trades today. Again, worked for 1 hour and 5 minutes. Netted $339. Talked about it in my group, and I'm done for the day now. That's why I'm getting the video out early. So now I can just kind of hang out and enjoy the life of a day trader, where you don't have to work a full 8 hours in order to make your money for the day. So pretty happy about that. If day trading is something that interests you, I definitely recommend clicking the second link in the description. And again, join me in my group chat. Would love to talk with you there. Have a great rest of the day. Like, subscribe, and comment down below. Peace.